Good morning. Ready to start your day?
Here are step-by-step instructions on how to make a snowman. Regular craft sticks or popsicle sticks, twine for hanging, optional, paint, glue that works well with the craft sticks. First, paint 4 or 5 popsicle sticks white and glue them together. Paint a mini craft stick black and glue it to the top of the snowman. Then, cut 2 strips of red glitter paper and add slits to the ends. Glue down to make the scarf. Then, glue on 2 small black buttons. Now, create a carrot nose from orange cardstock and glue it onto the face. Draw the eyes and mouth with a black Sharpie. Glue on the snowflake and some twine to the back. For this snowman, these will be a big hit for Christmas. And the best part is, you can hang them on the Christmas tree when you are done. See you in the next video!